Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. In this video, I will show you how you can scan high quality documents for free on your iPhone or Android phones. Now, I'll be using my Android phone, but the process is the same on iPhone.
Get strong.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store or your App Store, and then you want to download Microsoft Office. Now, I already have it downloaded on my phone, so I'll just click open, and you want to open it. When you open it, you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, you see three things that you can do. You see Home, a plus, and Actions. So what we want to do is we want to tap on the plus. Now, when you tap on the plus, you'll notice that three icons pop up. One for notes, which means you can take notes. One for lens, which is the camera. That's the one that we will be using. And the third one is Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents. So we want to tap on the lens. When you tap on the lens, you'll notice that the camera pops up, and I already have a document down. So all you need to do now is you need to take the picture. So you touch to take the picture or scan the document. Now you'll notice that as you touch and when you scan that document, it puts a border around the document, and then you just hit confirm. Now when you confirmed it, you'll notice that it straightened the document out. Now as you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see some things that you can do. The first one there is add, which means that you can add another document if you were to select that. The second one is filters. You can add different filters. And the third one is crop. You can crop the document out. And the fourth one is more, which we will get to in just a little bit. So what we want to do is we want to touch the filters. Now, when you touch the filters, you'll notice that you can have none documents, and it lightens it up by varying the contrast on it. You can go documents, you can go lighten, you can go black and white, and then you have a lot of other ones that you can use as well. But I'll just use the lighten. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to hit done. When you hit done, now you notice that it takes you to another screen. And on this screen, what you can do is if you wanted to, of course, add another one to it, you could. Or you hit select, which means it will select all of the documents that you have on the screen. And then create PDF. Create PDF gives you the opportunity, or it allows you to create a PDF file. And then you have share and more. So we'll look at more. Under more, you'll notice here you can create a PPT, which is a PowerPoint presentation. You could rename the document, or you could delete it. So we're going to go back and we're going to go to share. Now when you click share, you'll notice that it will give you the ability to send it or to share it with various applications. You can send it as a text, to a group, or to an individual. You can send it to Outlook, Messages, or any apps that you have on your phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to Samsung Notes. That's where I would like to save it. So you send it to Samsung Notes, and you hit plus, and now it is saved on my Samsung Notes. So this has been a quick tutorial on how you can download Microsoft Office, scan documents, and send them or save them for free. So this has been a quick tech bite. I am Bertrand the Tech Man. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell to get notice of my next video, share, and comment. Tell me, which app do you use to send documents? I'll see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.
Get strong.